Hi, this is Zach Meir from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Friday the 13th of May. Starting off with Beowulf Mining, where we've got this rebound through the 50-day moving average, just approaching this resistance line from February at 4.5 pence, and end of day close above that, or end of week close day above that should be enough to get this stock on the road, filling that gap towards 6 pence from February over the next couple of weeks, and maybe over the next month or so, hitting the top of this trend channel from November at 9 pence. Only back below this former April support, 3.35 pence. At this stage would be negative for the outlook, given the way that we've got bullish divergence in the RSI window as well with that low, and that should be providing positive momentum. Borders and Southern is next, and here we've got a situation where there's been this much higher low for May to date, hammer and a gap reversal as well, gap fill reversal, so that looks like we've got a higher, a very bullish setup. Initial target here, 2.32 pence at the 200-day moving average. After that, for June, maybe July, up to this October resistance at 3.5 pence. So looking quite encouraging for that situation. Patagonia Gold is a stock I've looked at quite recently, but worth giving it another shot. Here we've got the situation where there's been the clearance of the 200-day moving average and 50-day moving average at 1.8 pence. Above that, we're looking to the top of this trend channel from the end of July as high as 3 pence. Any dips towards the 2 pence zone currently regarded as a buying opportunity. That old April resistance at 1.84 pence should cap any losses, along with the 250-day lines. Sula is next, and here's Sula Iron Gold rather. Here we've got the stock still confined within this narrowing triangle formation, still looking for a decent weekly close above the 50-day moving average and above this resistance line from last year at 0.2 pence to trigger a push higher towards 0.36 over the following 1 to 2 months. Stock which I haven't looked at here before is Symphony Environmental Technology, and here the reason is, or technologies rather, here the reason is that we've had a gradual decline over recent months, followed by the basing since the end of March. Final bear trap, final selling climax there, down to the 3.9 pence zone, or 3.5 pence zone even, and now this bull flag consolidation above the 50-day moving average at 4.46 pence. While that holds, looking to at least the 200-day moving average at 6.2 pence. Longer term target over the next 2 to 3 months as high as 9.5, and this looks like a decent breakout, so let's see if there is some follow through there. An old favorite is Turn, which is starting to gain life again. Sharp end of day close yesterday above the 200-day moving average at 14.65, and although we've seen that before, we had a false breaks in February through the 200-day line. On this occasion, at least while there's no break back below the former April high at 13.9 pence, there is a possibility of a push higher towards 23 pence in the way that we had that move there in December. Stop loss back below the 50-day moving average at 12.62 pence. Now a couple of stocks which both begin with Z. We've got Zincox Resources here, still waiting like many other small cap recovery situations for a break of the 50-day moving average. In this case, it's at 0.87 pence. Above that could lead towards 1.35 pence. Stop loss back below 0.6 pence. And finishing off with stock which has already got underway is Inaga Iron Ore. Here we've got the aftermath of the 50-day, 200-day moving average, Golden Cross. Support coming in at the 50-day moving average at 3 pence, and above that, the target here is high as 5.5 pence at the top of this rising trend channel from the beginning of last year. That's it from me. More updates at the same time on Monday.